and the interior decoration of NCV, the same wood and fabric are actively used, and national motifs are clearly visible in the design style.
But the supercar itself apparently is not finished yet. There is no data on what kind of power plant it is equipped with. According to Jalopnik sources, in the future, NCV will be equipped with a fuel cell unit, and it will be able to accelerate to a symbolic 20 km/h. However, the Japanese see the most direct benefits from the new material. A lighter car uses less fuel in the case of an internal combustion engine and gets a greater range if an electric motor is used. The beneficial effect on the state of the atmosphere is obvious.
In addition, according to scientists, the widespread use of nanocellulose fibers will significantly reduce the amount of carbon that enters the atmosphere during the production of traditional machines.